All right, in this one, let's take some use cases and combine the comparison and logical operators. So we will actually write a program to decide if the user is eligible for loan or not. This is the program that we want to write. It's a very simple program, and the eligible criteria that we have is the person should be more than 18 years old. This is one condition, and his income should be more than 30,000. Okay, so this is, I have written 30,000 in INR, or if you want to write any currency, that is up to you. All right, so this is two criterias. So if this two criterias gets satisfied, then the person will get the loan. Otherwise, he won't get loan. So let's say we have a person with the age 25. Okay, we have a person with the age 25, and we have his income. Okay, income is equal to 40,000. Okay, so let's say his age is 25 and his income is 40,000. So now we want to decide whether this person will get the loan or not. So now to decide if this person is eligible for loan or not, we will first take one boolean flag. Okay, so what is flag here? Flag is nothing but the way that we store boolean values. Okay, so technically we call it a flag. So is eligible, okay, is eligible is equal to, so we want to now compare both of these conditions should be true, then only this person will get the loan. All right, so now let's say age is greater than or equal to 18. You see here eligibility criteria is the person should be more than 18 years old. Okay, you can use greater than 18. Okay, or usually we say age is greater than or equal to true. If he is 18 also, he should be eligible. So age is greater than or equal to 18, and okay, we are using AND operator because in order to get the loan, both of these conditions should be true. Okay, so the age is greater than or equal to 18, and the income should be more than 30,000. Now can you guess if this person is eligible or not? You see here both of these conditions are becoming true here because his age is 25, it is greater than or equal to 18, and the income is greater than 30,000. Okay, so but this person has the income of 40,000, eligibility is just 30,000. Okay, so in this case, if you print is eligible or is eligible or something like that, okay, print is eligible and save the file and run it, and you see here, right, true. Now what if I try to change the income is 25,000? Now what is going to happen? We are going to get the false here. That means this person is not eligible to get the loan. Okay, because one of the condition is true here, he is older than 18, but his income is little bit low than the than this 30,000. So this is how we use the comparison and logical operators together. Now if you want to do some more practice, I have another use case, like we are checking if someone can enter a park for free. So the free they can enter is one child can enter who are below 12, and a senior citizen can enter the park for free whose age is 60 or above. So here also there is eligibility criteria, like the conditions are the age should be below 12 or the age should be above 60. Okay, so this is our use cases. So let's say we have a person with the age 15. Okay, now is allowed for free. So the conditions will be age, the age should be less than 12, or the age should be greater than or equal to 60. The age should be less than 12 or age should be greater than or equal to 10. Then only he is allowed for free to the park. The person that we have his age is 15. Okay, so he is not coming under this condition. Like this first condition is failing here because the age is not less than 12, and we also have or, right, there is still an opportunity. We are also checking age is greater than or equal to 60, but this one is also failing. That's why if you print is allowed for free, he is actually not allowed, right? So that's why we're getting false. We clear it. Now let's say the person age is 62. Okay, the person's age is 62. So what will happen is the age is less than 12. No, right? So his age is greater than 12. Since we have or here, we still have one more opportunity, that we are again checking if age is greater than or equal to 60, and this one is actually satisfying. That means it is true. Now you can run, and this person is a senior citizen and he is allowed to enter the park for free. Okay, so that's how, you can think of some other scenarios also if you want to practice. So that's about how you can use the logical operations and comparison operators together for the real world use cases.